Alright, ready? Brothers and sisters of the Mystic Lodge.
Do it.
Let's do this. Imagine a large tree with bright flowers, and it sits alone in a field of orange. The flowers and colors and magic and the beauty sit between you, where your dreams get born. They say that Frida's in these showers of flowers, magic and the trees. Imagine the jungle's one with her beautiful soul, and her image is a reflection on the leaves. And I'm confused. How does the dancing make it rain? And if I'm in control of my life, does it mean I'm the one to blame? Celebration, one where there's fire and surprise, one where the spirits are called, they're called to action, where our souls, they go to collide. Is this where we take a breath on this journey? Our belief in the future's naive, but it's pure. Actions trust that the time will be so good to us. I believe in this moment I am for sure, and I'm confused. How does the dance make it rain? And if I'm in control of my world, am I the one to blame? I'm in control of my world, does it mean I'm the one to blame? Why don't you throw on some turquoise and handle your shit? The moon and the sun make love in an eclipse. Don't forget here that we came here from outer space. I thank the spirits who send us on these amazing trips. You're a light flying over Minneapolis. You're perfect even though there's no such thing. I choose to believe that we're all very divine. So let me be kind, let me be kind, let me be kind, let me be kind. And I'm confused. How does the dancing make it rain? And if I'm in control of my world, am I the one to blame? And I'm confused. How does the dancing make it rain? And if I'm in control of my world, does it mean I'm the one to blame? 2 more times through. And I'm confused. How does the dance make it rain? And if I'm in control of my world, am I the one to blame? If I'm in control of my world, does it mean saying I'm the one to blame. That's called, How Does the Dancing Make It Rain?
One to blame.
Is that Prince in the middle of that?
What do you mean?
Purple, you got Minneapolis, you got all this stuff, you got Rain in there. Yeah,
There
Purple
was a
Rain,
purple.
exactly.
There was not purple.
There's a purple in there, right?
I think so.
Did I overlay that with Minneapolis? You sure? Throw on the.
Oh, throw on your turquoise.
Throw on your turquoise. Right.
You know what's interesting? I wrote that line about